Hello viewers, are you looking for a detailed review of the most expensive gaming laptops in 2022 to buy? We got you covered in this buyer's guide with the need to match the color for color in gaming graphics. Laptops are bigger, better, bolder, and more expensive. If you are looking for the most expensive laptops money can buy for a more realistic gaming experience, you need to check out our list ASAP. Check out our list of the best 5 most expensive gaming laptops and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. Alienware M17R4. Since redesigning its flagship gaming laptops in 2019, Alienware has put out a number of stylish machines we've rated highly in both 15-inch and 17-inch screen sizes. The new M17R4 starts at $1,812.99, $3,609.99 is tested, follows the 17-inch blueprint we've seen before but adds 2 key features: an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series GPU, and an optional, low-profile mechanical keyboard co-developed with leading key switch maker Cherry. Both are a success, boosting gaming performance to an impressive new level and delivering a uniquely satisfying typing experience. The battery life is still disappointing, and configuring a system with all the extras, like a 360Hz screen, will cost you. But the base design is top quality and the options are plentiful. All of this adds up to our favorite current giant screen premium gaming machine and an Editor's Choice Award. At a glance, you wouldn't know that the M17R4 was a different laptop than the R3. The design is almost identical, though there are some detailed differences beyond the keyboard. The build quality remains strong, with a nice soft-touch plastic exterior and a sturdy frame. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. ASUS ROG Strix Scar 15 Gaming Laptop. There are gaming notebooks, and then there are gaming notebooks like the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 15 series. While most of today's gaming notebooks have eschewed over-the-top designs of yesteryears for muted and understated ones, the ROG Strix Scar 15 fully embraced its identity as a mobile gaming powerhouse. It has even got a funky RGB light band around it. With the 2021 version, the Strix Scar 15, model G533, just got a whole lot more powerful. Released at this year's Digital CES 2021 show, it's part of ROG's first salvo of gaming notebook options for 2021. You now have a choice of the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series laptop GPU, up to GeForce RTX 3080, as well as AMD Ryzen 9 5000 series mobile processors to pick from. In fact, the test model that ASUS sent over would put most gaming desktops to shame with its GeForce RTX 3080 graphics processor with 16GB VRAM, Ryzen 9 5900HX CPU, and a 15.6-inch FHD 1080p display with a speedy 300Hz refresh rate. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Razer Blade 15 Laptop 2020. The Razer Blade 15 2020, while expensive, is more than capable of annihilating any PC game you throw at it, all the while being stylish and well-built enough to actually justify that extra expense for anyone looking for a luxurious gaming product. The Razer Blade 15 has become one of the cutting-edge gaming laptops on the market, thanks to its pairing of very powerful mobile components with stunning design. With that pairing, it's no wonder that some consider it the MacBook Pro of gaming laptops. The Razer Blade 15 2020 continues in the same tradition, hiding inside its Ultrabook-like chassis RTX Super graphics cards and the best Intel Comet Lake H processors. And that elegant design manifests most noticeably in an aluminum unibody design that the line has been known for, that might remind some of a MacBook Pro. That's not to mention, it has one of the best trackpads found on a Windows laptop, as well as 2 large top-mounted speakers. Like all the previous models, the Razer Blade 15 2020 does not come cheap. Its base configuration will set you back $1,599, $1,699, $3,399. for an Intel Core i7 and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti and a 256 GB SSD. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Gigabyte AERO 15X99 RT5. The Gigabyte AERO 15 is a laptop aimed at designers and creative professionals. But when I first saw the thing, I didn't believe that. It looks nothing like any laptop that comes to mind when I think of creators, the slim and sleek MacBook Pros, XPS 15s, Surface Books, and ZenBooks of the world. The AERO is a beast. It's 15.6 inches wide and 4.4 pounds. It has a bright LED logo on its lid, large visible vents on the back and bottom, and a colorful RGB keyboard that will turn heads from across the office. This is a gaming laptop, I thought on my first day using it. Designers won't want this, but I've made myself stop thinking that because the reality is, that's a stereotype. There's no reason that big flashy devices should be reserved for gamers. That's just a design trend companies decided on. Sure, some creators who want that aesthetic might be content to buy a gaming rig like the Razer Blade 15 to suit their needs. I'm happy to see a device that's not made for gamers' basements take on this look, though it's a good if brave statement. If you want to rock RGB lighting in your office, go for it. Of course, you can also play games on the AERO 15 after all. It has the hardware for it. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Alienware M15 15.6-inch laptop. The Alienware M15R3 was one of our favorite gaming laptops of 2020, standing out with unique styling and the muscle to back it up. The M15R4 starts at $2,149.99 to $2,499 as tested, is a component-level revamp that uses the same chassis but adds NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 30 series Ampere GPUs, newly announced for laptops at CES 2021 earlier this month. Our test unit packs an RTX 3070, which delivers demonstrable frame rate gains over its previous generation counterparts, especially at higher resolutions, and makes 60 frames per second FPS. Ray tracing a possibility on laptops. The M15R4 is a promising first look at what should become commonplace in high-end machines by year's end, even if it's not as much of a leap over the GeForce RTX 20 series as it was on the desktop. Our particular M15 configuration adds some cost with 1 TB of solid-state storage and a 4K OLED display. Alienware's lower resolution, higher refresh rate screen options will be better picks for avid gamers. But the core takeaway? One of our favorite laptops is now even faster, thanks to NVIDIA's latest silicon. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.